from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a Toyota Corolla here, hybrid, on a 2019 plate. Just doing the registration lamp on this, and I tell you what, it's one of the worst design I've like seen. I mean, I see many, but this is quite an awkward one. Now to do it, it is a procedure that you have to follow. If you come round, if I show you first, what you need to do is unclip this back cover. So you got grommets on the inside. Get the whole thing out. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, there's loads, multiple dozens, and these are the holes so they slot into. Now if I just remove this first, and then the second thing you do once you've done that, this is the thing you need to look at. You see, you got, this is the number plate, so you can't undo anything from here, but what you've got to do is you've got to push these little clips in so it still kind of slots out. But unplug it first, unplug it, use a screwdriver, flat screwdriver if you can. So push it in, that's it, push it in, that's nice and loose now. Now if we go to the other side now, on here, all you got to do is you pull this out. I mean, usually you use a screwdriver, but I think I didn't, it's not, yeah, now it's clipped in. Oh, why did I even do that? So you put a screwdriver in there, and then on the top here, there's another clip right there, which holds in place. You then do this side as well. Once you've done that, you take the whole thing out. Just remember how you take it out, that's how it goes back in. You then you then pull the whole thing out. That's it. The lens is out. Got a bulb right here. It is a 501 bulb. As you can see right there, it's a capless bulb. You will find this in description if you, I mean, where to get it from. Now just remember how you take it out. That's how it goes back in. So I'm only doing one at a time. So if you see this one, so this is how it's going to go back on, yeah? Just in case you forget. Flat screwdriver. Slot the screwdriver through there. Take the cover off. Once you take the cover off, as you can see, the bulb is blown. Right, I've got the new one right here, which is a 501 bulb. You will find in the description where to get it from as well. Don't forget to click, and that's it. I then slot this in. Like I said, I forgot how it was. You know what, I completely forgot how it was. Okay, like this one. That's it, that's how it was. So there's only one way they would go anyway. That's it, the click. I then slot it through. Once I slot it through, the gap, get my hand in there as well from the back as well. As you can see, my fingers are right there. I then guide it through. Once I guide it through, that's it, it's on. I'm going to plug it in, just right there, and I'm going to show you now the bulb. Now you can see that one there is working, this one isn't. I'm going to do this one as well. It's exactly the same procedure again. Remove this cover, remove that cover, then from the bottom, remove the registration lamp bulb holder, remove that completely in your hand, and then do the rest. So to put this back in as well, it is a quite tricky one. So what you've got to do, you've got to slot it in like this. Because of this number plate, it's very difficult for me to slot it in. So I'm going to have to play around with it. That's it. So that's in, that's in. That's all in now. Okay? That's all you have to do on this particular model. And don't forget to put this back on as well. I will put it on in a minute. But the main thing was how to remove the number plate light bulb, which I've just shown you how it's done. And if there's anything else you need to know, don't forget to drop us a message down below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video, thank you, and goodbye.